Hello and welcome to this meditation that is specifically designed to help you go after your dreams. I know you've been sitting on your dreams for a while and it can feel so frustrating when you've been thinking about them, when you've been wanting them to come in and you're just not seeing it in your reality yet. That is okay. When you start to listen to this meditation and you do it daily, we're going to dissolve these subconscious beliefs and barriers that are standing in your way of bringing your dreams into your real life. We're going to start by getting into a nice, slow, conscious state. Breathing in through the nose, filling the belly with air, feeling the shoulders expand, and then exhaling out through the mouth. The fastest way to get out of the mind is into the body, so just slowing the breath, noticing the sensations in the body, letting go of the day and of the to-do list that you have. And I want you to bring your dream goal to the forefront of your mind. And I want you to picture the juicy details that come along with having this dream goal. I want you to really put yourself into this dream. How it feels, what it looks like when you achieve this goal. Who's around you. Lay out all the details and visualize it in your mind. What's your bank account look like? What are your friends saying to you? What actions are you taking? How are you celebrating? Really visualizing all of this here for yourself right now. Then beyond visualizing, I want you to feel what it feels like to have that goal in your reality. Breathe it in. Maybe you feel lighter. Maybe you feel more fulfilled. Maybe you feel more connected to yourself and others. Maybe you're so dang proud of yourself. Feel all of those emotions. And then just starting to tune in. Where is the ego coming up with these subconscious beliefs that are blocking you from getting to this reality? Do you not feel good enough? Do you not feel like it can actually work? What is the mind saying about these goals? What is fear saying? Are you afraid to be seen? Just let yourself sit in whatever wants to come up, whatever wants to be seen and acknowledged. And then thank every fear for coming up and showing itself. Acknowledging it, giving it love and support, and then every subconscious belief and fear. I want you to then put it in this cloud. So for example, if you're not feeling good enough to reach your goal, I want you to put that statement, that sentiment in a cloud. I want you to imagine that it starts to dissolve and it starts to transmute into something that feels very powerful, strong, light. So instead of not feeling good enough, we transmute that energy into other people have been able to do this, and other people who are similar to me. Therefore, I can also do this. I am powerful. I am determined. I have the skills, and I am ready. And sit in that new transmuted emotion and just start to breathe that in. And start to do this cloud transmutation to all of the fears and thoughts that have been coming up for you. I want you to imagine that the things you want are already in your reality. If you're wanting more money, if you're wanting more connection, if you're wanting a loving partner, imagine that you already have that thing, that person, that desired state. It's already within you. You already have it in your reality. How do you show up differently? How do you behave differently? Do you start to think differently? I want you to bring that energy into today. How do you go about your daily tasks today with this new sense of renewal? This new sense of determination and confidence and pure joy and pleasure that you get to delight in having this thing, this goal in your reality. Breathe that in. And coming up with your mantra that is going to take you throughout the day, that you can repeat to yourself to get you back into this desired state. I am worthy. I can do it. My goals are magnetized to me. I am a powerful magnet. I can have whatever I desire. I make my dreams a reality. I am ambitious. Everything I want also is finding its way to me. I don't have to give up so easily. I can stay the course. I am made for this. This is my mission. Continue to breathe that in, choosing a mantra that feels so good and light and freeing, that resonates with you on a deep level, that radiates out into the world. And just breathe it all in through the nose, filling the belly with air. Shoulders start to rise and expand. And then exhaling, sighing out any of the obstacles standing in your way. Again, feeling into this desired state and taking it with you into your everyday life. Taking it with you today as you go about the rest of your day. I cannot wait to hear about the goals you achieve, and also just the satisfaction you have for just being, soaking in the present moment and accepting what is. Sending you much love on your journey, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Onward and upward, much, much, much